May hindi ba? Siguro yung date namin ng February 14, ibang meaning na yun kapag Valentine's Day. Sobrang memorable sa akin. Siguro yun yung pinaka-sweetest sa
may ganun check up, may pabang-bang, flowers, may pastel, wala the best. Ay na, forever, kami ba naman?
na hindi ako mawala sa taon.
New hair.
New hair ako.
Wow!
Talagang pinipilay.
Ano?
Sabi niya? Talagang pinipilay.
Okay.
Siyempre, madami akong goals.
Sabihin.
Number 1, good health ng buong family ko. Walang mas importante sa health. And syempre, tumagal ako sa industry to.
Wow! Sure, tatagal ka dito. Pero ang tanong, how are you celebrating your birthday?
With family, friends. Friends and friends.
Ba't parang sobrang defensive?
Hindi, iba siya
Parang lang yung tono.
Ay, family, friends and... Syempre si JM.
Yan!
Naman sana, no? Oy, hindi mawawala sa birthday ko yun. Bawal mawawala. Bawal talaga! And don't
Debut.
forget to support the new movie ni JM na kanyang solo. Child number 82 po. Thank you!
Yeah!
Nag-year ka dun.
Maraming salamat, Fiang. Sana bumalik ka na sa I Want ASAP. But, huwag
Babalik
kayong...
ka matanggalin niya si Emilio.
Kakabalik!
When I think of all
Come on, baby, keep on doing what you want. Girl, I'm trying to get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that.
I
sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing, and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out, talk it out.
I'm gonna need a little more from you. Waking up to nothing when you're supermodel mode. Watch you fall asleep at night and painting on my mood. You got me begging for affection, all you do is roll your eyes.
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day.